Simply come over to YouTube, download one of these videos, come over to this website and just simply upload the video, and you will be able to make hundreds and thousands of dollars, all while staying at the comfort of your home, doing minimum effort, doing minimum work. Hey guys, welcome back to Make Money Online. Grab some popcorn, get comfortable in your chairs, because this time I'll show you a secret way to earn more than $500 every single hour just by copying and pasting a few links. Now this method requires no skill, no experience, and you only need your free time. This method is available worldwide and it is really fresh. So it is going to work through 2021 as well. It is very simple. All you have to do is simply make sure to watch this whole video so you won't miss any important information. So guys, make sure to stick around till the end. Before we get on with the video guys, I would like you guys to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, because we are regularly uploading new videos about how you can make money online. Now, without any further ado, let's get on with the video by jumping into step number 1.
Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're going to be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe.
So in step number 1 guys, what I want you guys to do is come over to rumble.com. Now rumble.com is a free online website where you can upload videos and earn a profitable income. Now as you can see over here, we have a lot of different videos, and as you can see, this video has just made over $200. This video has also made over $200. So as you can see, it is very profitable. And as I told you before, this process requires no experience or skills. You don't even have to have fancy equipment or a software or camera or a computer or a very fast internet. All you need to be able to do is find videos, and I will show you how you can find those videos. But before that, what I want you guys to do is sign up on this awesome website. So to sign up on rumble.com, all you have to do is click on the sign up button at the top right here. Once you click on it, this pop-up will appear. Now once this pop-up appears, all you have to do is click on create a Rumble account. Now once you've clicked on that option, the website will look something like this. Now as you can see, we have a lot of different options and a lot of information that we have to fill. It's very easy. This is an important part of this step guys. As you can see at the top, we have 3 different options. So we've got a free account, we've got a publishers, and we've got business. Now I'm sure you guys are seeing these, but these 2 options have something that's called ad supported, which basically means that if you choose either one of these accounts, you will have ads on your videos. Now be mindful, if you choose this option, you have to pay this website in order to get a few different bonuses. But since we're here to make money, not spend money, we're just going to stick with the free account that does have ad supported, which basically means that we can make money either way. So what I would recommend is choosing this account right here. So once you've chosen the account that is most suitable for you, all you have to do is fill out this form right here. So we've got our name, our username, our password, our email, the selection of our country, and as you can see, every country is available on this list, so which means that this website is available worldwide, and you can sign up on this website right after you finish watching this video. So once you've filled out all these forms, all you have to do is click on register, and that is basically it. So guys, once you've signed up on this website, what I want you guys to do is click on your profile, and over here is click on earnings. Once you've clicked here, as you can see, there are a lot of different options that we have for you, and at the bottom we have some pro options. Now these were the options that could be available to us if we chose the publisher option, but for now what I want you guys to do is stick to the free account. Later on, when you've tried this method and you are able to start earning money, and you can upgrade your subscription whether you'll want to or not, but for now, since we aren't making any money, we're going to stick to the free channel over here. As you can see, we have 0 earnings at this moment, but that is soon going to change. So over here on the left side, you will see all these options right here. So this is the main option that I want you guys to look at. Over here we have a lot of different options. So we've got our earnings from Rumble, and we've got our earnings from YouTube and other third parties as well. So that means that no matter which site you're on, once you click on it, you will be able to earn money from all those sites as well. And I will show you how you can do that precisely by moving on to step number 2. So in step number 2 guys, what I want you guys to do is come over to youtube.com. Now over here, the task is very simple. All you have to do is find the videos that are most suitable for rumble.com. Now, we can't just pick any video. We have to pick a video that is copyright free and a video that we can use over and over again. If we take a look at Rumble and we go over to their trending page, we can see a lot of different videos. So the basic videos that are popping up as of right now are mostly related to news videos and other conspiracies that are related to it. But we don't want to turn this video into a political video. We want to keep it friendly and entertaining, and your main goal is to make money. So what I want you guys to do is come over back to YouTube, and over here what I want you guys to do is search videos or topics that are trending in your area as of right now, and it could be anything. It can be about weight loss, it can be about cute little puppies, and anything at all. So what I want you guys to do is simply search cute puppies. As you can see, these videos have tons and tons of views. So this video has 29 million, this one has 4 million, This one has 50 million. So as we can see, puppies are very popular. Everyone loves puppies. There isn't a human being on this planet that doesn't love cute little animals. Going with the puppy videos is a great start, but we can't just pick any videos from this list. We need to pick a video that is copyright free. So how you can find that video is by clicking over to the filter section. Underneath features, you will see Creative Commons. Click on Creative Commons and all these videos will appear, and all these videos are copyright free, so we can use them over and over again. So pick whatever video that you think is very cute in your opinion. For me, I'm just going to pick this one since it's the top, and what I want you guys to do is download this video. Now, how you can download it, all you have to do is copy this link, go over to Google and search YouTube to MP4, and all these websites will show up. So you can choose whichever one you want. I'm just simply going to choose this one right here because it's at the top. And once you're over here, the website will look something like this. And once you're over here, guys, all you have to do is simply paste this link in this box right here. And after that, click on convert. Wait a couple of minutes. And once it's converted, all you have to do is simply download this video. Now, once it's downloaded, guys, we can now move on to step number 3. So in step number 3, what I want you guys to do is come back to Rumble, and we need to upload the video that we just downloaded. Now, how you can do that is by going at the top and clicking on this button right here. Click on the option upload video, and that is pretty much it. And then you can just sit back, relax, and enjoy your passive income. But for those of you that are having trouble with Rumble and isn't working properly in your area, another website that you can use to earn money from is called Dailymotion. Now, Dailymotion is similar to Rumble, and it's more similar to YouTube than Rumble, but the process is basically the same. So you download the video just like I told you in the previous part of this video. You come over to this website, you upload them, then simply wait and start earning money passively. Now, another great thing that I forgot to mention about Rumble is that you don't really need to have a lot of subscribers or a lot of views or a lot of followers. The site will simply promote this video on its own, so you really don't have to do any work whatsoever. And the same can be said about Dailymotion. And the reason that is because these two sites aren't really that popular when compared to YouTube. So when there are videos that are uploaded on these two websites that aren't available on YouTube, they get a lot of views, hence you generate a lot of money. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video up until this point, and as a thank you, I'm going to give you a bonus tip which you can use to boost your income even further, which is going over to YouTube Studios. Once we're over here at studio.youtube.com, you can just simply re-upload the video that we downloaded. So all you have to do is click on upload video. So select the video that you downloaded, which is this one right here, and just open it. Wait for it to process a little, and after that, as you can see, the video is uploading. The important part is that you have to change the title. Now, I understand that this video is from the Creative Commons section. That also means that we can use the same video over and over again, but what I want you guys to do is change the title up a little bit so it doesn't look like that we copied the video. Just change the title to anything that you want, and then just simply click on next, and that is basically it. And now you're generating income from 3 different websites, all while doing minimum work and minimum effort. You're working smarter, not harder. So guys, having said that, I do have to give you guys a fair bit of warning to be aware of scammers and scamming websites out there. There are a lot of scammers out there that are going to take away every single penny that you have if you allow them to or give them the opportunity to do so. Don't try to find these websites all on your own, because a lot of these sites are shady and are basically scams. So I wouldn't recommend doing so. What I would suggest you do is follow my videos and do the steps that I do, and also go on to the websites that I usually go on to, because guys, I care for you all, and I care for all your financial problems, and I want you guys to be financially secure in the future. So guys, just do what I do and follow the websites that I follow. And if you have any questions regarding any websites, then leave your questions down in the comments below, and I will try to answer them at the best of my knowledge. Now guys, having said that, so guys, if you enjoyed this video, what I want you guys to do is hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification icon so that you won't miss out on any future videos like this. We make a lot of videos in which we talk about how you can make money online. Having said that, guys, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, goodbye.